Is your T-Mobile KVD21 not powering on? First, focus on the power adapter and USB-C port. Ensure you're using the original 5 volts 2 amps adapter or a T-Mobile branded equivalent. Next, inspect the USB-C port for dust, debris, or corrosion. Gently clean it with compressed air or a soft brush. Corrosion can sometimes be cleaned with isopropyl alcohol applied carefully. If the adapter and port are functional, try a hard reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED flashes. If that doesn't work, connect the KVD21 to a known good adapter and, using a paperclip, hold the reset pinhole for 20 seconds. If issues persist, consider the internal battery may need replacement. Regular port cleaning and using OEM adapters can extend the device's life. If all else fails, contact T-Mobile support or a certified repair center, especially if the device is still under warranty. Avoid disassembling it yourself.